Hello, Mr. Head. I introduce our the indoor water heater and outdoor water heater. This size is indoor water heater. It's same as the American brand water heater. Its cold inlet and hot outlet is on the top. It is same as the USA brand, and here is the junction box. The American brand water heater actually is indoor, so if you install outdoor, we can't avoid the rust and the water leak problems. So that's why in the for the SASO certificate, I use the outdoor design. This is outdoor design, so the cold inlet is at the bottom and the hot outlet, the red color is hot outlet, and the PD valve is also here. And there is no connection on the top, nothing. So, and the junction box is at the bottom. The wire connected to inside. So this is 100% outdoor design. So we use this design for the Saudi Arabia market. So which you can understand why we use this design for SASO certificate and didn't use this American design.